It's Rena.
It's Dale.
And we are here at the Goodwill Outlet. We are on an adventure because Dale has never been here and I've only been here once. Where are we?
Excited.
What street is it?
Berry Road.
Berry Road in Nashville. So come join us as we find some treasures. Okay, we're inside and this is what it looks like. And look, Dale is already off and shopping. So let's go ahead and hit this first bin. The thing about home decor is that it is mixed with all kinds of sundry items. So you really have to dig to find the treasures that you're looking for. Look at this Christmas tree that Dale found, her first adorable item. I'm always looking for greenery. So awesome. Thankful for that greenery. And then I just found this little basket. I don't need it. I'm going to ask my friend Dale if she wants it. Cute little tin. You can do all kinds of things with that. Now, I loved that plaid pumpkin, but it was dirty, so I left it there. Now that pumpkin with that herringbone, oh yes please, that came home with me for sure. I hopped on over to the linens and I found this really old handmade strawberry quilt, and I thought Dale, who loves vintage, might treasure it, and she said yes and put it in her cart. Now inside of this box was a pastry bag, and so I just went ahead and took that pastry bag out, and I will definitely be using that as I craft gingerbread in my Christmas in July. And now I found this colander, and I loved that it had a little star in the middle, but it was pretty beat up. I put it in my cart and later I put it back, but boy, now I'm wishing that I would have taken that home. Would you have taken it home? Please let me know in the comments below. Ooh, what do I see? I see some pretty yellow flowers that I'm gonna dig out and definitely bring those home. They're such a happy color. Ooh, and here are some gold ones. I will definitely take those and the greenery. And now I found these little streamers. They're like ties that are nice and bright red, perfect for Christmas crafting or to add to tags. Ooh, that's a pretty flower. I think I'll take that one too. And as I headed on over to the bins again, I found all of this lace. So I went ahead and pulled it out and put that in my cart too. And then I found these Christmas items. There were 3 Christmas centerpieces all put together. Oh, what do I see? A little chickadee or a hen? I think it's very cute, but I'm going to paint that white and I'm going to add it to my hutch. What is your favorite item that you have found?
Oh, wow.
Well, show us a couple things that you like.
Well, the pumpkins, of course.
Yes.
I found that I'm going to paint, and I found another one that goes with it that's buried in there.
Wow, that like match what you've been making.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah.
Very cool.
My own.
Oh yes. And this pottery barn.
Little boys room built.
Look at that. How adorable. Love it. Love it. And you just never know what you're gonna find at the bins. And here it is, a Jack Skellington mask. And right next to it, a beautiful Christmas house. It lights up. I believe those are the kind that are from Kirkland. So that's coming home. And I also found this big, beautiful basket and also this lacy crocheted tablecloth that I'm going to show to my friend Dale to see if she wants it. She loves vintage. And I'm always looking for little stuffed toys for my doggy. But that one had a plastic eye, so he eats those. So that was a no. But these bottle brush trees, yes, please. I love them. And about this time, a man told me that I couldn't film, and I've never been asked not to film inside. So I stopped. So I'm going to show you the items that I didn't feature before that I hauled. So stay tuned. But this is a sneak peek at our 2 carts that we headed home with. And here is a look at my haul, and let's take a closer look at some things you didn't see. Look at this giant sphere. It is huge, this boxwood sphere, so I'm so excited to have that. And this is that basket, and look how big it is. It is so big. And then look at this incredible tablecloth. It is all botanical and is lined on the back side, so I think that is stunning. I love it. And I found so many Southern Living magazines this time, and I love reading them and using them in decor as well. Here is that chicken. This is something else you did not see. Look at this. This is a pillowcase, a pillow covering. And so it's got all these sweet dogs. Look at that one. Oh my gosh. It is so cute. I found more greenery. I showed this one, but I found this one. I found this little plant. I found this huge bundle of burlap. Look at that. You can never have too much burlap. I am a firm believer in that. I have that lighter gray pumpkin. Then these are all the fall Southern Living things. And then I found these brand new sprays for fall. And of course, those yellow for fall colors. Now going back to Christmas, so I found this really cute apron. Look at that ruffle. I love it. I found these brand new bags with the Santa Claus and these Southern Living Christmas. I think their recipes are so delicious. And then what's great about these books is not only, I mean, look at that. Yum, right? But not only that, but they also have beautiful ideas for decorating in these. So I really love them. Look at these jars with just some peppermints in them. So simple and so beautiful. So I got 2 of these books, and then look at these giant flocked red bells. Now I am going to be doing a Christmas in July series, so starting in July, I'm going to be showing you some crafts that you can make for Christmas, or even how to zhuzh up. Just a few little additions to something like this can make it so extra special. And I've got a wood piece here that I could use. I showed you that I got 2 of these trees, but I ended up with 4. Isn't that awesome? And I showed you that one house, which I believe was this one. And then look, in other bins and other parts of the store, I found 2 more. So I've got a whole little village, and they light up. But now you can see that they do have some damage right here, but I'm going to be fixing that. So I might show how to do that now, or I might show it later. And then I've got this incredible golden retriever pillow, and that is Pottery Barn. Yes, this is Pottery Barn, and I love it. And as I make my way around the table, there are just a few more items. Well, here's that lace that I showed, but look at this beautiful lace, like a topper that you can use for the centerpiece of a table. I think that it is stunning. stunning. And then I found 12 of these. Look at these linen tablecloths. Are they not so gorgeous? Oh my goodness, I love them. So tell me, which is your favorite item, and take a guess as to how much I spent. Now, also not shown here, I got 3 toys for my doggie. And dun da da dum, I spent $30 total on everything. So thanks so much for being here today. I'll see you next time with more cozy projects, thrifting adventures, delicious ideas, and simple joys. Bye-bye.